DUOPAN is also a powerful tool for fixing balance issues in stereo recordings. For example, with drum overheads recorded using a spaced mic pair, the snare or kick can often end up off to one side. Using a conventional panpot to fix this imbalance issue in mixing causes the stereo image to become narrow and unnatural, as in this example. But with DUOPAN, you can bring the snare or kick to the center while keeping the cymbals and hi-hat in their original positions.